What's up, you guys? Here at Just for the Health of It, you know we love to provide you the best quality treatment and the best tools that you need to get you to wellness and keep you there. Recently, we've added some of these custom-made massage guns. We get a lot of questions about how to use these, where to use these, how to be the most efficient and effective. So I'm going to go over some of the tools with you and show you how to use them, where to use them, and when to use them. So first, I'm going to show you how to use this tool to relax your muscles. A lot of the time when people have really tight muscles, they're under the impression that you just get in there, you dig in, and go as hard as you can. But that's not necessarily the case. What we really want to do is we want to calm the nervous system. And in order to do that, we have to start gently. So what you're going to want to do is find the least invasive tool in the set. I find it to be this. It's kind of soft and a little bit bouncy. And I'm going to go in here, turn my massage gun on, put it to the lowest setting, and I'm just going to introduce the touch. Introducing touch is very important. It connects your brain with the nerves and the muscles. So since my forearms are the tightest, this is where I'm going to start. If you refer to your yellow sheet, you're going to see where your tight spots are and where your loose spots are. So this is what we're going to do for our tight spots. So I'm just going to gently come in with the massage gun and just introduce the touch. I'm going to go all the way up and down through here. Another good idea would be using a little bit of heat before this, like a little heat pack or something. So after we warmed up the muscle, using a tool like this is going to allow us to get into the individual muscles, strip them apart, and get them moving a little bit more. So since the muscles warmed up, it's okay to use a little more power with this. I personally find I do better with a little bit less power. I don't want to really fire my nervous system up by being in too much pain. So I'm just going to keep it on like a level 10. And then go in the opposite direction of the muscle. So I like to just pin it, and you see how it will just move my muscle for me. There's not really much I have to do. I just let it sit. Direct pressure is a really great modality to get the muscles to relax. So once you start to feel that muscle resting, you can go ahead and back off of it and move to the next part. And just stop and rest. If you take some deep breaths and imagine breathing into the muscle belly, it's going to help you get these muscles to relax as well. And I just go all the way down the forearm. After I hit one of those muscles, I move here, go a little bit to the other side, let it rest. You can feel that all the way down to my fingers. This muscle travels down to the fingers. Let it set. And then same thing. After I feel it release, I go down just a little further, let it set, and travel down. So these are the tools that I would use to help relax the muscles. So what about our weak muscles? These are the muscles that we want to wake back up. We want to get our brain reconnected to those muscles. So you know that karate chop style of massage that you see, that actually has a purpose. That is waking the muscles back up. It's very common with our muscles, since they work together in certain patterns, for one of them to take over and the other to just kind of stop and relax. The most common one that I see is quads overworking and glutes just falling asleep. So with this, we want to use more power. This is going to reconnect and re-wake those muscles back up. So 30 might be a good place to start. And you just get in where that weakness is. Could be the back, could be the glutes, and you will just want to go through and wake those muscles back up. These aren't areas that you necessarily want to dig in. Areas of pain generally mean that there's an injury. So you wouldn't pick a scab off of your skin over and over again. It's going to take longer to heal. So just very quickly go through and wake it back up. If you guys are confused about how to use your tools, refer back to your yellow sheet. Activate your weak areas. Slowly go into your tight areas, introduce touch, and start going a little deeper as you go. Ice on your weak areas and heat on your tight areas are really great places to start before going in and doing any work. If you still have questions, feel free to ask your providers when you come in. We love to help.